Welcome back to HS Auto. Today we're taking a quick look at the new Honda CG150 2026, a motorcycle that continues Honda's legacy of reliability while bringing subtle modern updates for everyday riders. ### design and styling. The 2026 CG150 keeps its classic commuter look but feels more refined. Expect cleaner body lines, updated graphics, and improved fit and finish, making it practical yet fresh for urban and rural use. ### engine and performance. Powered by a 150 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, the CG150 is designed for smooth, fuel-efficient riding. It focuses on durability and easy maintenance, delivering dependable performance for daily commuting and long-term ownership. ### features and technology. The new model is expected to include improved braking, better suspension tuning, and a clearer instrument cluster. These updates aim to enhance comfort, safety, and overall ride quality without overcomplicating the bike. ### fuel economy and practicality. One of the CG150's strongest points remains its excellent fuel economy. With a comfortable seat and upright riding position, it's built for riders who prioritize low running costs and everyday usability. ### expected price and verdict. The Honda CG150 2026 is likely to remain affordable, making it an ideal choice for students, commuters, and first-time buyers. If you're looking for a simple, reliable, and economical motorcycle, this new CG150 is worth considering.